Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change appearance on Zoom in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tech Team. So let's go. For this, you have to open your Zoom Workplace. After opening your Zoom Workplace, you'll find your settings icon. You have to press on it. Now here you can see the option of appearance. You can set as you want. You can set dark mode or light mode. This is all depend on your needs. So this is how you can change appearance on Zoom in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.